So, Mr. Rupesh Bhau sir, can you present now?
Uh, my name is Rupesh Bhavsar. I'm from MGM Institute of Hotel Management. And topic of my research work is today survey of food safety measurement in the canteen of automobile sector companies of Aurangabad, MIDC after COVID-19. Food safety is an always issue whenever it comes to the canteen management, and there is a lot of problems with the workers in the different companies. So we try to put the hand into these areas. So in that, we try to find out the food hygiene, cleanliness, and attitude of food handler into the canteens of different companies of Aurangabad region. Actually, this make effect to the many workers working into the area because they consume their meal into the canteens. Close survey of the store management and cooking procedure and service of the food workplace standards, statutory requirement, and personal hygiene is done onto the food handlers and collected. Suggestion was given by filling the gaps to make the improvement into the food safety industry. Uh, So I'll just put the my presentation main points. There is a company policy which give the welfare to the many people are working into the sector. So they are the uh, working employees, and they've been served into the private contractor. Negligence of the necessary procedure of food safety management system. The food hygiene, personal hygiene, and the handler of unsatisfied employee. These are the main reasons to work on these areas. So this is the layout where they start. Store department, then receiving area, storing, preparation, cooking, holding, cooling, reheating, and service. So we need to put the standards in all the areas to make it more strengthened. The purpose of the study is to survey and show the current level of food safety into the canteen of Aurangabad MIDC. The objective is to understand the current level, to show the appointment of the food safety supervisor, how it makes the difference about the appointing the food safety supervisors into the canteen, and the close supervision can be done into the food safety chains into the canteen management. The hypothesis is the close supervision and the appointment of food safety supervisor can improve the standards of food chain of canteen management. Okay, fine. So I'm onto the screen. I have chosen the five areas of working. One is store, one is preparation area, then food service area, all over work standards into the company, statutory requirement, and personal hygiene. These are the five major areas or six major areas where we can work and improve the position of food safety. The first one is the purchase specification need to be done for the food products. Then quality check need to be done. Then food grade containers need to be used. In the second area, the food recipe standards should be there. Cooking methods need to be strengthened. Then hot and cold food need to be kept hot or cold into the food bin mari or the refrigerator. And food hygiene standard need to be maintained. In overall food standard, the planning of internal audit about the canteen, so that can improve the position of food safety. Then promotional activity within the workers or the employees of the company, that can give them information about the healthy food, equipment maintenance and hygiene checkup, and FSSAI approved vendors. They are supplying the good quality food products. Statutory requirements are the food safety policy, FSSAI registration, food safety training. This is the more important part into the area because the most of the working people into the food safety, they are not educated, and they are not even 12th pass. So we need to give them education into the local language, that is Marathi. Health checkup of the catering staff need to be done in twice a times. So that is the suggestion. Um, to control the personal hygiene as well. the cleaning of uniform, hand sanitization, because after COVID-19, hand sanitizations are the more important part, and the effect of the staff to maintain hygiene, and they need to wear the head cap. I'll take you to the next slide.
We
Here,
can go to the conclusion now.
okay. My conclusion is, so we need to have food safety supervisor who is educated and who need to have some power to exercise the effectiveness of the new system. So there is a changes into the food safety standard into the local areas. Thank you. Thank you very much.